What is India? To me, India symbolizes perfect balance and harmony. Let me explain that to you. Look at the landscape, from widespread ocean and shiny beaches to tall, cold, and snow laden Himalayas, from lush green natural jungles to organized arable lands, from rivers, lakes, and ponds to desert. We have everything in India. Look at seasons. We have rain, we have summer, we have winter, we have autumn, we have fall. We have everything in India. Look at the stark differences in our population. We have different cultures, different religion, different cuisines, different languages, yet we stand as one when it is needed. Look at the values we teach. We teach kindness, compassion, non-violence, yet we teach the importance of hard power. We teach the importance of picking up the arms when it is needed, when it comes to protect yourself. Look at the values that we practice, some of the thousands of years old practices. Yet we are making progress in space, research, science, technology. Not only making progress, we are leading in those areas. We teach humanity, we teach spirituality, yet we focus on economic progress. That's India. India is balance. And let me tell you one more thing, life and nature operates in balance. If you go in extremes, life extincts. Balance is the way life thrives, and India symbolizes that.